A woman sits typing on a laptop in a booth. A man joins her. Text. Equal housing opportunity. A logo of a person in a wheelchair.
Hey, Jamie.
Hey.
We're hanging out in the Skyline Lounge. Want to join?
Yes.
She closes her laptop.
Yeah, you do. Come on.
They walk together into a lounge where a friend racks balls on a billiard table. Jamie hugs her. She then walks into an apartment and walks down a hall.
I moved to Nashville on my own for grad school, and I didn't want to feel isolated. Shared living gave me instant community, ongoing event offerings, and built-in people to hang out with when I'm not studying. Plus, having designated co-working spaces, the gym, and the pool right here makes everyday life easy. I love it here.
Jamie sits on a couch with her laptop. The man walks out of an apartment bathroom and into a bedroom. He picks up a backpack and slings it over his shoulder.
I work downtown, so I wanted a place that was close by without being in the middle of everything. The shared living here at Westerly House just works. My bedroom, bathroom, and closet all come with their own thermostat and smart lock technology.
He walks through an open concept living room kitchen with a modern interior.
So I get an easy commute, smart technology that actually makes my life better, and a place to relax when I come home from a hard day of work.
He walks out of the apartment. A woman reaches in a cupboard and pulls a mug out as she stands in a contemporary kitchen with stainless steel appliances.
My work schedule is busy, so convenience matters.
She walks down a hall and opens the door to her apartment. She walks in and throws her keys on the kitchen counter.
My room is fully furnished, so are the shared spaces, so I don't have to worry about any of the essentials.
She pulls down a window shade in her bedroom.
Utilities are handled, and common area cleaning is included, so I just get to focus on rest and work and not worry about the details.
She falls back onto a bed. She stands in the kitchen making coffee.
Different schedules.
Different goals.
One place that just works.
An aerial view of an apartment courtyard with lounge seating. Text. Westerly House. A logo of a W.